Hi, welcome to Alibi Kitchen. My name is James. I'm the chef de cuisine here. So today I'm going to show you an awesome recipe, something really simple and really delicious. Toasted cheese sandwiches. Come with me, come and check it out. First thing you need to do is you need to make a white sauce, a white cheese sauce, so like a bechamel. We need to gently warm the butter. So add it to a pan on a low heat. Then you want to add your flour. Mix it together to make what is called your roux. And then we need to add the milk a little at a time. As you can see, it will start to thicken. And now, to this, we will add 25 grams of the comte cheese. Now, if you don't have comte cheese at home, no worries. You can substitute it for any kind of cheese you like. Cheddar cheese, mozzarella. So next, we need to take some soft butter and just butter the bread, the outside of the bread. Then we take our cheese sauce. Some more comte cheese. And then the serrano now. That's ready to go into the oven now at 190 degrees for 4 minutes. And now we need to make it nice and crisp and golden brown. So we'll pop it under the salamander and that's ready to go. So you can see all that delicious melted cheese inside. We'll add some more cheese on top.